In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Shein wallet in 2025. Although adding cash or transferring funds directly from your bank isn't possible, I'm here to guide you through the accepted methods you can use during checkout. Let's dive in and make sure your Shein shopping experience is as smooth as possible. To get started, first you'll need to visit the Shein website. Simply go to your web browser and type in shein.com to access the home page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a plethora of fashion items, so take a moment to explore the latest collections and hot favorites. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar for quick access. After finding the perfect item you'd like to purchase, the next step is to add it to your cart, just like you would with any online shopping experience. Click on the item to open its details, select your desired size and color, then click Add to Cart. Now that you've chosen your item, let's move forward to the checkout process. Once you're ready to check out, navigate to your cart, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the cart icon and review your selected items to ensure everything looks good. Take note of the total price as well, as this will help you prepare your payment method. When you're satisfied, proceed to checkout by clicking the checkout button. As you scroll down the checkout page, you'll come across a list of available payment methods. Shein offers a variety of payment options to accommodate different preferences. You can choose to pay using credit or debit cards, which are widely accepted and convenient for many users. Alternatively, if you prefer using PayPal for its security features, that's an option too. Additionally, Shein supports popular regional payment methods like GrabPay and Gcash. These options allow for seamless transactions, especially if you're shopping from an area where these services are prevalent. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to enter your payment details securely. If you're using a credit or debit card, input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. For PayPal, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page to complete the transaction there. Whichever method you choose, ensure your information is correct to avoid any hiccups during the payment process. Once your payment is successfully processed, you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase. Congratulations! You've now funded your Shein wallet and can enjoy your shopping spree with ease and confidence. Remember, it's always best to double-check your payment information for security and accuracy during any online transaction. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through adding money to your Shein wallet via the checkout process. Keep these steps in mind for a seamless online shopping experience and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides. Happy shopping!